At TERMIS 2021, I presented my work on tissue-engineered vascular grafts based on the human textile method that we developed in my laboratory in Bordeaux. And specifically, I talked about my thesis subject, which is the sterilization of our biomaterial and the implantation of our graft in nude rats. So there is this critical need for vascular grafts that we have nowadays, and the gold standard for to answer this is to use an autologous vessel, but unfortunately those vessels are not available indefinitely, of course. So the answer we have today is to use synthetic grafts, but unfortunately they have a high failure rate due to thrombosis, intimal hyperplasia, infection. So in this context, we developed a new tissue-engineered vascular graft that is entirely made of human tissue, and so we think it's biocompatible. And because we produce it in our lab, it is fully available.